Hi, I'm going to introduce you to the super compact, super lightweight Diono Flexa stroller. Let's start by opening the box up. First thing we've got here is a couple of QR codes that you can click onto to register your product at diono.com. We've got an instruction booklet, 2 car seat adapters, the bumper bar, one wheel and the second wheel. And don't forget the rain cover for those wet days. And lastly, the canopy comes out. Now it's time to take the stroller out of the box. Slides out like this, lay the stroller down. Now it's time to put the wheels on. Click, click, both wheels go on. Let's stand the stroller up. Lock the stroller, open it up, push down. Then we'll set the backrest down. Then one arm up, the other arm up. Take the canopy and that just slides on here and slides on here. Next, take the bumper bar. That slides here and just slides in there. Move the canopy up, attach it to the bottom. Now you're ready to hit the city.